Now, one error I just spotted in the application we built is that I forgot to change something in NavLinks here, where I load my places. I always point at U1, and as a result, when being logged in, if I click my places, I always get this error here. Now, therefore, we should change this, of course. This here should be bound dynamically to a string where we say something dynamic and then slash places. And the dynamic thing here is coming from the auth context and should be our user ID. So that we use the real user ID here and not that dummy user ID. So with that, if we are logging in here and I go to my places, I might not find any places for this specific user if he hasn't created any. But if we have a place, like here, a dummy place I created behind the scenes, then we do succeed. So that is an adjustment you should make. Fix that NavLink to ensure that your navigation app works correctly.